Hi, my name's Adam Pfeffer. I'm an Agronomic Systems Manager with Bayer Crop Science here in Canada. I'm just out in one of my soybean fields here. Wanted to chat about a new product, or a product we launched a couple of years ago in the marketplace called Roundup Xtend. It's a pre-formulated mixture of glyphosate and dicamba in a 2-to-1 ratio. Excellent product for both burn down and in-crop applications on your Roundup Xtend soybeans, as well as many other applications. These soybeans here were planted a couple weeks ago. They're entering their second trifoliate. First trifoliate's almost fully expanded. The second trifoliate's coming. This was a conventional till situation, so my plan is to come in here within the next few days and apply the high label rate of Roundup Xtend to maximize my in-crop residual broadleaf control of those small seeded annual broadleaf weeds. You can see in the field here, pretty nice spectrum of annual broadleaf weeds. We got quite a bit of common ragweed, lamb's quarters, a little bit of red root pigweed coming. The odd foxtail. This farm also got a little bit of proso millet and a bit of volunteer for corn from last year. So history on this field again, heavy use of IP soybeans in the past rotated with wheat. You do see a bit of corn residue in here from last year's crop, and that was really the second corn crop that this field's ever seen. So a lot of usage of products in the Group 2 category. Certainly a lot of Group 5 and 15 utilized in those IP soybeans over the last number of decades. So introducing two effective modes of action in this situation, being Roundup, Group 9 glyphosate with dicamba in that Roundup Xtend premix, is really going to bring, again, two effective modes of action on this current weed spectrum, and should provide a very high level of control that I would expect to see here. The other ways you could utilize Roundup Xtend, again, a pre-formulated mixture of glyphosate and dicamba. You know, if I was in a pre-emerge or pre-emerge application, you know, you could certainly tank mix it with products like Sencor. We've looked quite extensively at that combination, and the addition of that Group 5 residual tank mix partner certainly lengthens the amount of broadleaf residual that we do see out of that combination. And certainly there's lots of other products in the marketplace that you can tank mix with Roundup Xtend to really broaden out the weed spectrum. So again, if you want a residual grass product, you know, additional broadleaf residual, and certainly if you're dealing with challenging weeds like glyphosate resistant Canada fleabane, or you know, glyphosate resistant water hemp, dicamba is going to bring us a very nice tool in the toolbox for those weeds in particular. But we definitely want to make sure that we're tank mixing that with another effective mode of action for proper stewardship. So again, Roundup Xtend comes in both 10-liter jugs and 450-liter totes, and certainly consider it in your burn down early post-emerge applications in your Roundup Xtend soybeans next year, and consider utilizing it with other residual products such as Sencor to broaden out the weed spectrum and improve the overall residual activity. So again, wanted to discuss that with you tonight, and hopefully you have good luck this season. Thanks, take care.